Hey everyone, welcome back to Free Tech Guide. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to pause video recording on iPhone. New update. Yes, you heard that right. With iOS 18 update, you can now pause your videos while recording, making it super convenient to create continuous content without multiple clips. Let's get started. First, open the camera app on your iPhone as you normally would when recording a video. Tap the red record button to start recording your video. Now, here comes the new feature. Once your video is recorded, you'll notice a new pause button on the screen. To pause the recording, simply tap the pause button. Your video will stop but remain in the same clip. When you're ready to resume, just tap the resume button to continue recording the same video without any interruptions. And to capture a photo when you're recording, simply tap the button on the bottom left corner to capture a photo. Once you're done, tap the stop button as usual to save your video. You'll have a seamless recording with no need for editing multiple clips. And that's it. This new iOS feature is perfect for vloggers, content creators, or anyone who wants an easier way to record videos without cutting and stitching clips together. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.